Good morning, children. Welcome to our math session. Now, children, what today we are going to do? What is our topic? In our previous session, we finished our topic of subtraction without borrowing. Now, let us see what topic today we are going to do. Our topic for today is revision. Okay, today we are going to do revision. But revision of which lesson? We have finished lesson number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So today we are going to do revision of which lesson? Can you think? Yes, good. We are going to do today chapter number 1, Introduction to Geometrical Figures. Okay, this lesson we have already finished. So today we are going to do the revision of Introduction to Geometrical Figures. Okay. Now, state the characteristics of the given figure. What is our question? State the characteristics of the given figures. Now, let us see which figure is there. Now, tell me, what is the figure? Correct. Square. Which shape is this? It is a square. So, how we are going to define square? A square has 4 edges and 4 corners. Children, you are going to repeat after me. Okay? 2 times, 3 times we are going to repeat what teacher is saying. Okay? So repeat after me. You might be knowing in class how we do revision. Okay? So in the same way you are going to repeat after teacher. Square. A square has 4 edges and 4 corners. How many edges? 4. And how many corners? 4. So a square has 4 edges and 4 corners. All the sides of a square are equal. Repeat. All the sides of a square are equal. Okay. So what is a square? A square has 4 edges and 4 corners. All the sides of a square are equal. Now the next shape. Which shape is this? Correct, rectangle. So how we are going to define rectangle? A rectangle has 4 edges and 4 corners. Repeat. A rectangle has 4 edges and 4 corners. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. A rectangle has how many edges? 4, correct. And how many corners? 4. A rectangle has 4 edges and 4 corners. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Correct. Now let us see the next shape. Triangle. Which shape is this? Triangle. A triangle has 3 edges and 3 corners. Repeat. A triangle has 3 edges and 3 corners. How many edges a triangle has? 3, correct. And how many corners? 3. A triangle has dash edges and dash corners. 3 edges and 3 corners. A dash has 3 edges and 3 corners. A triangle has 3 edges and 3 corners. Understood? Now let us see the next shape. Which shape is this? Yes, circle. Which shape is this? Circle. A circle has no edges and no corners. A circle has no edges and no corners. Repeat after me, children. A circle has no edges and no corners. Now answer me. A dash has no edges and no corners. Circle, correct. A circle has dash edges and dash corners. No edges and no corners. Good. A circle has no edges and no corners. Now which shape is this? Quadrilateral. Which shape is this? Quadrilateral. Now can you repeat the spelling of quadrilateral after me? Q-U-A, Q-U-A, D-R-I, Q-U-A, D-R-I, L-A, T-E-R-A-L, quadrilateral. We'll repeat Q-U-A, D-R-I-L-A, T-E-R-A-L, quadrilateral. A quadrilateral has 4 edges and 4 corners. A quadrilateral has 4 edges and 4 corners. Repeat after me. A quadrilateral has 4 edges and 4 corners. A dash has 4 edges and 4 corners. What is the answer? A dash has 4 edges and 4 corners. Quadrilateral. Correct. A quadrilateral has dash edges and dash corners. A quadrilateral has dash edges and dash corners. 4. Correct. 4 edges and 4 corners. A quadrilateral has 4 edges and 4 corners. Now let us see next. Now look at the pictures below and identify the geometrical figures. You have to look at the pictures and you have to identify the geometrical figure. Now let us see the first picture. Now this. What is this picture? Can you see on your screen? Yes, it is a picture of computer screen. Yes. So now you have identified the picture. Now tell me which shape is this? Identify the shape now. Yes, correct. It's a rectangle. Which shape is this? It's a rectangle. Now here, see this. Flag. Okay. What is this picture? It's a flag. Now in a flag, see. Which shape is this? Yes. Identify the shape now of the flag. You can see the opposite sides. See the opposite sides. Are they equal in length? Yes? No? Yes? The opposite sides are equal in length or no? Yes. In a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal in length. Okay? Now let us see the next. What is this? It's a blackboard. What is that? It's a blackboard. Now this is an example of a rectangle object. Okay? See here. It has how many sides? Count and see. How many sides? See. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? How many edges and how many corners? 4 edges and 4 corners. Okay? And the opposite side, see, this side and this opposite sides are equal to one another. And here this side is opposite to this side. So in a rectangle, opposite sides are always equal in length. Here, what is this? Mobile phone. Yes, everyone know this. So it's a mobile phone. Now what is the shape of the mobile phone? Circle? No. Then rectangle. Correct. This is a rectangle. Now how we come to know that this mobile phone shape is of rectangle shape? How we come to know? See here. There are in a square also 4 sides are there, and in a rectangle also 4 sides are there. But in a rectangle always the opposite sides are equal in length. Okay. From this we come to know that it is a rectangle. Now let us see the next. Now what is this? Yes, it's a carom board. What is this? It's a carom board. Now tell me, what is the shape of a carom board? Let us first count the edges and the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are having how many sides? 4 sides. How many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are having 4 edges and 4 corners. Okay. Now, can you see, children? All the sides of a square are equal in length. See, the 4 sides, they are in equal length. Okay. So, a square has 4 edges and 4 corners. Okay. And all the sides of a square are in equal length. Now the next picture. See here. What is this? It's a alarm clock. Alarm clock. Okay. So, which shape is this? Yes, it is a square shape. Now, how we come to know that it is a square shape? Because all the 4 sides of a square is equal in length. Okay. Now here, what is this? It is a chessboard. Okay. Now tell me, which shape is this? Identify the shape. It's very simple. Correct. It's a square shape. So a square has 4 sides and 4 corners. And all the sides are in equal length. Understood? Now the next. Now what is this? It's a pillow. Okay, you might be having like that pillow at your home. Correct? So, tell me, which shape is this? Is it a shape of a rectangle? No, it's a shape of a square. Correct. Which shape? Square, because all the 4 sides are equal in length. This, what is this? It is a handkerchief. Which shape is this? What is the shape of the handkerchief? Yes, children, tell me. Square. How you came to know that it is a square shape? Because it has 4 edges and 4 corners. It has 4 edges and 4 corners, and all the edges and corners are of equal length. Now here, what is this? Which shape is this? It is saying, what it is saying? I am a circle. Which shape is this? It is a circle. Now, see the shape. First see the picture and let me know. It's a bangle. It's a picture of a bangle. Now tell me, what is the shape of the bangle? Square shape? No, then circle shape. Very good. Now, what teacher told you? A circle has no edges and no corners. See the bangle. Can you see any edges and can you see any corner? No, it is in round shape. Okay. So, in a circle has no edges and no corners. Say this. What is this? It's a wall clock. Okay. Now, before that we saw a clock in square shape. Correct? Now, this is a wall clock of which shape? Circle. Very good. Then this, what is this? It is a CD. Yes. But what is the shape of this CD? Circle. Correct. This, what is this? It is a, what is this? Yes, it is a button. Okay. Now tell me, which shape is this? Is it looking like a square? No. Then circle. Correct. Now, how we came to know that it is a circle? Because it has no edges and no corners, and it is a round shape. Okay. Now, triangle. Which shape is this? It's a triangle. See the triangle shape? A triangle has 3 edges and 3 corners. How many edges? 3 edges and 3 corners. Say 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. So a triangle has 3 edges and 3 corners. Now what is this? Lovely and yummy? Yes, it's a pizza slice. So tell me now, what is the shape of this pizza slice? Circle shape? No, na? Then? Yes, it is a triangle shape. How we came to know now it is a triangle? Because it has 3 edges and 3 corners. 1, 2 and here 3. Okay. So a triangle has 3 edges and 3 corners. Now what is this? It is a watermelon slice. Correct. Which shape is this? It is a triangle. Correct. Now see, on your screen can you see some triangular things? Okay, the first one is a traffic sign. See, that is also in a triangular shape. Then button, hanger, then watermelon slice, yes, and pizza slice. So these are all triangular things. So today children, what we learn? We learn shapes. Okay. So what are the shapes? First one is square. A square has 4 edges and 4 corners. All the sides of a square are in equal length. Okay. Then rectangle. A rectangle has 4 edges and 4 corners. The opposite sides of a rectangle is equal in length. Then circle. A circle has no edges and no corners. Then a triangle. A triangle has 3 edges and 3 corners. So with this children, we end our revision of Introduction to Geometrical Figures. See you in the next session with a different topic. Till then, bye, take care and continue your studies.